ABS really believes strongly in sustainability, and I'm really excited about the project. And the reason I bring that up is we started on this about 5 years ago. We put a small set of panels up just to see if it would work, because none of us had experience with this. That set of panels would probably power about 3 homes, okay? And then we could prove that it worked and it was doing well, we decided to take it to the next level. Our goal here is to literally produce 90% plus power that we use.
It is a wonderful investment, I think, both for the company, but as well as USDA rural development, and the investments that are being made here as well as in other rural communities across the United States will really help us come up with climate-smart solutions.
Many of our customers in a residential setting have the same sort of objectives that ABS has here on a large commercial scale, which is to offset the overwhelming majority, if not all, of their consumption with their own production on site. Some of our customers offset $20, $30, $40 a month on their bill. Some it's $200, $300, $400. Some businesses $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. This equipment can scale and can really support all different types of energy needs.
Every company is going to have to be responsible. And the only way we're going to get through any kind of climate change is if we all do it together. It's very important to ABS to be carbon neutral by 2050, and we're going to do everything we can to get there.
Rural communities are really the backbone of America, and by making these type of investments, it really helps all of us with improving the rural economy as well as becoming more energy independent.